Like with a blade, I'm gonna use the 1200 diamond stone to flatten the back first. Place the chip breaker on the diamond and move it back and forth. Apply additional pressure to the front edge, like when you flatten the back of a blade. It's still a long way to go. This is what it looks like after about 1 minute. About half of the grinder marks have already disappeared. It's actually quicker than I expected. Anyway, let's keep going. It's a bit hard to keep this chip breaker level because the area sitting on the stone is very narrow. So I'll move it with very short strokes like this. It looks like the left hand corner is a much lower than the rest part. So anyway, I'm gonna keep grinding.